Metallic, dimensional, twill-like finishes. These are all looks that continue to trend in the apparel deco industry. But what if I told you there is one heat transfer vinyl that has all of these trending looks in one? Well, there is, and it's known as CAD-CUT Chroma-TWILL. This is a heat transfer vinyl that's compatible with any vinyl cutter that you're currently using, and I'm super excited to show you the finish and tell you all about this product. Let's dive in. I already have the Chroma-TWILL loaded into the Graphtec CE7000, so I'm gonna set my design to cut. My cutting specs are set at 20 for speed, 12 for force, and I'm using a 45-degree blade. Once that material is completed, I'm gonna go ahead and start the weeding process. This material is extremely easy to weed. It has a nice tacky backing that can hold some fine detail, but not too tacky that makes it hard to weed away that excess material. Now let's head to the heat press and show you how to heat apply. Now let's do our application. So we're gonna be using the A to Z heat press, which is threadable. So we're just gonna swing away that upper heating element and then take our shirt, split it open, and get that single layer front of the shirt on the platen nice and flat. Right, before we apply the Chroma-TWILL, we're going to do a quick preheat. That's just gonna prep our garment, get any moisture or wrinkles out of it so that we have a great adhesion of the product. And we're just doing a standard center front design here. So I'm gonna make sure I'm 4 fingers from the collar. I already have my heat press set to 302 degrees. This is a 20-second application, which is already cued in as well. So we're just gonna lock this down. We're at a medium pressure. Our timer is gonna count down that 20 seconds. And then once that's complete, it'll be a cold peel. So we'll wait for this to cool before removing that carrier. Now that the product is cooled down, we'll remove that carrier. And our application is complete. With this super unique finish, you're gonna be able to take those logos and designs and really elevate the look of them to create more impressions for the products that you're printing. And while this product looks amazing on wearables, it is compatible with a variety of fabrications. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and print accessories such as bags and hats. To get started with this product and start showing off this finish to your customers, check out the link in the description.